this is a picture of the Kaaba at Mecca as it looks now. And the Kaaba, of course, means the cube, and that is God's holy house. But the presence of God is not said to actually be concentrated there, because according to Muslim theology, God is everywhere equally. And so therefore, God is not concentrated in a place, and it would be beneath the dignity of God to have a single place. However, there is the word Sakinah, which means tranquility in Arabic. And so it says that in the Quran, in some verses, that the Sakinah, or tranquility of God, descended upon some person at a time of crisis, such as descended upon the Prophet and the Muslims during the Battle of Hunain, for example. It said that. And it also refers to that Sakinah in Surah Al-Fath. And Sakinah, interestingly, is the exact cognate and probable derivative of the Hebrew word Shekinah, which is the presence of God that sat over the mercy seat on the Ark of the Covenant in the Holy of Holies in the Temple in Jerusalem. Because the ancient Hebraic religion, even though later Judaism also adopted an idea of the universality of the presence of God without a particular concentration geographically in a spot, in the earlier phase had this concept of God's actual presence being concentrated there, and this same word, which devolved in Arabic into tranquility, was used. Interestingly, at the popular level, when you enter the Haram here where the Kaaba is, people describe the feeling they get as a Sakinah, which is tranquility. In fact, I said that myself when I went there, and I didn't even know all that history when I first went to it. So when the Kaaba was burned and was then a wooden structure primarily about the year 604 and had to be rebuilt, the Prophet solved the crisis over who would place the black stone in the corner by when they said, we will let whoever comes in the door next decide. And Muhammad entered next, and so he said each of the leaders of the clans would hold a corner of his cloak while he put the stone in the middle, and then they would lift it up, and he took it and put it in the corner of the Kaaba. This is the Kaaba denuded of its black kiswa covering, because of course they do change the covering every year, annually, so it becomes denuded of that, and there you can see exactly the type of stones it is built of. The building itself was built in the year 692, therefore it is 1 year younger than the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. It had been built and demolished twice after the Prophet's time, and 692 was the final building of it. And later on after that, this wall here collapsed once because it's in the bottom of a set of dry gulches that all flow down here. So oddly, in the middle of a very extreme desert, not often, but occasionally, there would be a flood. And water would collect there. And because the circumambulation of the Kaaba is supposed to be continuous, they would say that some people would go out and swim around it to keep the continuity of the tawaf or circumambulation going. And so once the north wall collapsed in the reign of the Ottoman Sultan Murad IV, and in that case, however, unlike the previous rebuildings that we don't know anything about, they very carefully took the fallen stones and tried to identify the exact place of each one and put them back exactly in correct order. So it is still essentially the building of 692. Yes?
The rock that you're talking about that's inside there, I mean, is it a little rock? Is it a boulder? Is it the size of the...
Big,
oh, okay. Thank you.
I mean, the part you see is more about this big, but the whole thing is probably a little bit bigger than that.
So it's like a window and you get to see it?
Yes.